Dumelang gape, ra tswelela ka medumo le mafoko. Re ya go dirisa ditumammogo le ditumanosi go aga mafoko. Let's start. Ma for mabogo, hands. Ma for maoto, legs. Me for melemo, medicine. Me for metsi, water. Me for mina, to blow your nose. Mo for monna, a man. Mo for mosamo, a pillow. Mo for seemo, a situation. Mu for simumu, a mute person. Mma for mma. This one you use it most of the time when you are called. A woman is calling you, you say mma. It's used to show respect. Mma for mmaagwe. It means someone's mother. Mme means but. Mme for mmele, the body. Mme for mme, mother. Mmi for mmidi, maize. Mmo for mopo. It's also another name for maize. Mmo for mopo, a mop. Mmu for mmu, soil. Mmu for mmueledi, a lawyer. Na for nama, meat. Na for siana, to run. Ni for bokone, north. Ni for nare, buffalo. Ni no for nonofo, strength. No for bonolo, kind. No for manoko, peanuts. Nu, N can also be used with G to make sekai, ngala, to sulk. N can also be used NGW to make ngo, sekai, ngwana, a baby, or ngwaga, a year. Nna for nnake, my younger sibling. Nna can also be used me or to sit. Nna for nnana, a baby. Nne for nnete, the truth. Nne for nnele, give me. Nni for banni, residents. Nno in sports means a goal. Nno for bonno, a place of residence. Nnu, re tsena mo mafokong a mangwe. Pa for apaya, to cook. Pa for paka, a season. Pa for paka ya sekolo, school uniform. Pe for peki, a pig, it's a tool. Pe for pelo, the heart. Pe for pena, a pen. Pi for pina, a song. Po for mopo, maize. Po for popo, pawpaw. Po for molapo, a stream where water runs. Pu for puo, language. Pa for phakela, in the morning. Pa for phaphaletse, dry. Pe for pepeng, a scorpion. Pe for phefo, wind or air. P for phihlo, a funeral. Po for poko, a male goat. Po for phologolo, an animal. Pu for pura, to grind or crush something with your teeth, especially a sweet or a bone. Pu for dipuka, wings of a bird or chicken. R, ra for raga, to kick. Re for mmogo, we are together. Re for reka, to buy. Re for rera, to preach. Ri for muriri, hair, as in Hair. Ro for roka, to sew clothes. Ro for Roma, to send someone on an errand. Ro for Roma, Rome or Roman. Ro for roba, to break something. Ru for rua, to rear an animal. R can be used, but not true. For example, re, it's used to give a position for a man. For example, Mr. or ra, it's also Mr. Ra can also be used to answer a man to show respect when they are calling you. Sa for sala, to remain behind. Se for seemo, a situation. Se for seele, a sentence. Se for mosese, a dress. Se for sela, to pick something up from the ground. Se for seka, to be under custody at the court of law. Si for siana, to run. Si for mosi, smoke. So for somarela, to conserve. So for lesole, a soldier. Su for suma, to make a s sound, as in a snake. Su for susumela, to come too close to something. S can also be used RAC in a sh. For example, mashi, to mean milk. S can be used with W to make s. Sekai, swa means to pass away, as in death. Swa for swaya, to crush something with your feet. Swe for swele, to be cruel. Swe for leswe, dead, D-I-R-T. Swe for maswe, to be ugly or bad. Swi for muswi, the deceased or a dead person. So, su. That is the end of our lesson for today. For more lessons, follow us on TikTok or like and subscribe right here on YouTube. Until we meet again in the next lesson, goodbye.